hello! Andyan na ang labanan ng Ward 1 versus Ward 3 para sa magaganap na Game 3 at Set 5 ang labanan. Naglagalagan na ang Ward 1 at saka Ward 3. Once na matalo na ang Ward 1, wala na sila ngayon. At ngayon, nandito lang ngayon sila sa may overcourt lang sa Rafael. Dito nila tinatapang kanilang laro ngayon. At ito sila ngayon. Player natin sa Ward 1 si datingan na sila, parating na rin ang iba. At least salamat po sa mga barangay council at mga chairman dito sa San Rafael na gamit ang kanilang overcourt. Kaya at least nandiyan na rin, nagpapainit na rin ang Ward 3. Nandiyan na kompleto ng mga Ward 3 women's. At then dito ang laro ng mga men's volleyball na gaganapin ngayon. Nandiyan ang referee at ang ating si MC, si Brother Garcia McLean, siya ang pinakamagaling na MC dito ngayon na magaganap sa Ward 1 versus Ward 3 dito sa Tarlac State. Pero ang laro nila nasa may barangay overcourt. Mag-start na ang laro ng Ward 1 versus Ward 3 sa final game nilang set ngayon na set 5 hanggang game 3. O kung sinong manalo ngayon, siya na ang champion na papasok sa labanan for the winner sa grand final na first runner-up at second runner-up. Pag nanalo ang Ward 1 ngayon, at least may laro pa silang isang laro. Nakalaban din ang Ward 3 may set na naman sa kabilang araw. At ngayon ito na, para pinipare na ang kanilang labanan. Kompleto na sila para ang larong ito. At least matutunghayan ng mga ating mga viewers. At ito ngayon, i-instruct na ng ating referee kung ano yung mga kailangan at dapat at hindi dapat. At least malalaman natin sa larong ito. At shoutout pala sa mga Ward 1 player at ganoon din sa mga Ward 3 na maglalaro ng lahat ng mga players na naglaro mula Ward 1 hanggang Ward 5 ng Tarlac State. Shoutout lahat sa kanila at ganoon din salamat sa mga nag-subscribe at magsusubscribe pa rin at sa mga viewers dito sa laro ng Volleyball Olympics, Summer Volleyball Olympics ng state. Yan, mag-i-start na ang laro at mag-shakels na sila. Alam mo, umpisahan na ang labanan para sa set 5 na lalaro nila ngayon ng Ward 1 versus Ward 3. Magkakaroon pa ng 34 Ward 3 is going to finish and act this night. Paglalala natin ang isang kapatid. Service for Ward 1.
And that's the service for Ward 1. This is number 31 on the service line. And ball is now on the air, received by Score from that end. Advantage of 1 for Ward 1. Once again for the second time, this is number 31 on the air. Once again, Salonga receiving it back. Kaina putting it once again as a post ball. Castaneda to Kaina, sending it to Guzman. And Guzman once again to Gers. And Catal's fighting it to Garcia. Once again, Water Breeze on fire for their service. Here's number 31, Kala once again, receiving on the air. Salonga to Kala. And from Ward 1. Water Breeze. Once again, we will receive the ball game. Service 4-3, jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. And a service error from Water Breeze. Two-point lead para sa Ward 1. Gala 1 the service line. Gala once again, received by Guzman, received by Gala. Castaneda, spike by Gala. Garcia sending it, Kaina. And a good ball, Castaneda giving it to Castaneda. Nice setup for Espinosa. 2-3, down to 1-point lead for Ward 3. Guzman on the service line. Nice rebound service, received by Castaneda. Kaina, bring it, Salonga. Second it to Garcia, Garcia, to Mulud. And a cross high ball for Guzman. Mulud receiving the ball. Castaneda, Garcia, Salonga setting it again. And Ward 1 score points, 4-2 points. Nice rebound service, Kaina giving it back. And sending it back. Garcia is putting it back. Kala receiving it in. And a little short for that hit. Just with the water. First score 1-3. 5-3 and score from that hit. 2-point lead for Ward 1.
So ang score natin ngayon, lead ng 5. Nag-lead ang Ward 1 ngayon, 5-3, 6-3 ang score natin ngayon.
Garcia receiving it to Briones. Salonga. Gala version of 24 on the first line. Nice rebound service. It was fine, just giving it. Once again, pass ball. Gala trying to rebound. And Gala trying to sink the ball there. Little rebound. Score from that end, 7-4. A 3-point lead for Ward 1. Salonga on the service line for Ward 3. Mulud to Garcia. Castaneda sending it to Gala. Gala sending it back. Castaneda receiving it once again. Garcia. And once again. Half points for lead para sa Ward 1 once again.
So nag-lead na ngayon ang Ward 1 sa set 1. So ang score natin ay 8-4.
On the service, Garcia. And Kaina tries to save that ball. Hindi pumasok. 9-4 ang score po natin. Castaneda once again on the second side. Garcia getting it there, the basketball. Garcia setting it to Espinosa. Galang, and an outside violation of Ward 1. Galang. And a score point for Ward 3. 9-5 ang ating score, down to 4-point lead para sa Ward 1. Briones, easy serve para kay Briones. Galang, and a little short for that spike para kay Guzman. 10-5, half-point lead na naman. Mulud on the service line. Briones receiving it. And an outside violation from Kaina. Jersey number 11. 11-5. Second time around for Nulud. Received by Garcia. Set it to Guzman. Back to Nulud once again. Kaina giving it again to Garcia. Garcia setting it. Kaina. And an outside violation. Nararamdaman po natin sa court po natin. Garcia, giving it to Nulud. Setting it. Castañeda passing it to the other side. Castañeda once again. Kaina. Garcia setting it to Galang. Garcia once again to Nulud. Castañeda giving it. Briones. And Galang. And Nulud tries to steal the ball there. What a nice effort for Nulud. And a point score for Ward 3. 11-7 ang score po natin. Down to 4-point lead. Kaina, de Guzman, Galang once again sitting there. Briones passing it, Galang. Kaina, de Guzman, Nulud, Castañeda trying to set it. And what a ball! 12-7 on score for natin. Ward 3 still warming up their game here. Ward 1, Galang receiving here by Zalanda. What a setup game! What a ball! Coming from Zalanda. Nakita ang butas sa gilid. 12-8 ang score po natin. Kaina on the service line. Nulud receiving it. Espinosa giving it. And once again. Down on the first one. Down on the service line. Zalanda giving it back. Castañeda giving it back to Ward 3. Galang setting it.
Nag-lead pa rin ang Ward 1 ngayon. Ang score natin ay 39, lead by Ward 1.
And an error once again for Ward 3. 14-9 ang score po natin. Hindi pa na naman ang alaman for Ward 1. Is it going to take this way? Ward 1 wants the third lead here.
So, timeout ngayon, humingi ng timeout ang Ward 3. Ang score natin ngayon ay 59. Naglilid ng 6 points ang Ward 1 ngayon sa set 1. At ngayon nag-break muna sila ngayon. At shoutout sa ating MC kay Brother McLean Garcia. Yan, si Brother McLean, siya ang ating MC ngayon mula laro ng Ward 1 at Ward 3. Ito yung pinaka-final ngayon na hulugan. Pag matalo ang Ward 1 ngayon, wala nang hinihintay. Kung hindi hinihintay nila ang 4th place. Pag manalo ang Ward 1, at least may isang laro pa sila. Ang larong ito hanggang set 5 sila maglalaro sa labanang ito, pero ngayon nandito muna tayo sa set 1. Kaya ang score natin ay 15-8 lamang ang Ward 1.
15-8 ang score po natin. Down to 7-point lead on Ward 1. Ward 1 really wants a 13 here. Wants to nicely love service. Get that back to Santiago. Set it there. Espinosa getting it there. Espinosa once again just getting in there. Just playing simple right to this side. Castañeda setting it. Galang starting there. Galang. Briones on the service line. Pinaliwa. Calao receiving it. Pass ball to Malaki. Ramos, what a nice set. Castañeda setting it. Nuno doing it. Nuno is wrong for Nuno.
Score na natin. Nag-lead na. Last 3.
Nuno, nicely done service. Nuno receiving it there. Castañeda doing it. A little strong for that set.
So ito na yung pinakalarong first set nila. Lamang ang Ward 1 ngayon. At 23-12. Lamang na sila sa first set ngayon. Ang larong ito hanggang set 5. So last one na lang ang pinaka-score 24-12 sa set 1 natin. Ward 1 sa ating laro ngayon. At ngayon ay mag-change score sila sa larong ito. Nakuha ng Ward 1. Nasa set 2 na sila ngayon. Pinalaban na nakahamon, naka-break ang laban. At ang player nila ngayon at ganoon din may mga larong men's volleyball. Pagkatapos ng Ward 1 at versus Ward 3, kung sinong manalo ang maglalaban naman mga men's volleyball dito rin sa San Rafael Overcourt. At salamat sa chairman o kapitan dito sa may barangay San Rafael na nagamit ang overcourt nila. Ganoon din sa mga kagawad. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. At shoutout din po sa mga player na nalaro itong Summer Olympic na volleyball sa mga women at men. So sa laro po ito matutunghayan at mapapanood sa full video sa KKU Photo Vlog. Itong laro po ng Ward 1 versus Ward 3. Matutunghayan at mapapanood sa KKU Photo Vlog. At shoutout po sa mga magsusubscribe at ganoon rin sa mga subscribers na videos sa ating channel. Ngayon mag-i-start na set 2 sa ito na yung pinakalarong set 2. Nalaman kung sino nanalo sa game nila ngayon.
On the service line for Ward 3. Verdejo, Nuno to receive here, and nice communication coming from Ward 1. A point score for Ward 2. Score for that 2-2 substitution call for Ward 1. Got out Santiago, jersey number 18. Verdejo once again, service second one around. Bala receiving it to Castañeda. Castañeda to Guzman. Ramos sending it to Malaki. And a nice saving 5 sets by Galang. And Galang once again to Galang. Malaki. Ramos Malaki power. Castañeda to Guzman. Back to Guzman. Guzman sending it again to Ramos. Malaki. Tossing it to the Ward 1 area. Castañeda sending it. Galang. Ramos once again to Malaki. Spiking it up. What a crazy for Malaki. Time around. Galang receiving it. Castañeda pass ball for Ward 3. Sending it Malaki. Spiking it to Galang. Castañeda spiking it for. Nicely done receiving to Guzman. Giving it back. Santiago giving it. Ramos sending it again. Malaki to Galang. Castañeda sending it back to Galang. Malaki receiving the ball there. Castañeda sending it back to Galang.
Ang score natin ngayon ay deadlock all 3. Ang labanan ng set 2.
Verdejo receiving it. Ramos Briones receiving it back. Ramos to Manapil. Manapil. Nicely done service. Lulun. Lukalang. And he tried to save the ball there. Guzman once again. Galang was in there. Lulun through the back. And an outside violation. The for 1-1. Half-court lead score for 1-3. 3-6. Nicely done service. Galang is in there. Santiago bringing it back to Manapil. Sending to Ramos. Back to Manapil once again. A nice place ball. What a Castaneda. And an outside violation once again. For 1-1. Timeout ball.
So sa set 2 na to, ang laro, set 2 na laro na to na naglilid ngayon ang Ward 3 sa score ng 3-7. 7 ang score ng Ward 3 at Ward 1 ay 3. Sa game na to na set
2. Guzman serving slide. Nicely done service. Santiago receiving it and an outside violation for Ramos. Nicely done service. Briones sending it to the a kiss on the neck of that ball. 4-9 up to 5-point lead. That goes for a kanina sa first set natin. Ay, little short for Galang. 4-10. 6-point lead. Manapil on the service side once again. Santiago receiving it. Ay, receiving error. 11-4. Manapil to Santiago. Espinosa Ramos. Sending it up. A little short once again. 12-4. Irish score. 4-3 is on fire. For this set. Manapil to Santiago. Lulun sending it there. Ay! What a release! Castaneda, nicely done service over there. Manapil sees the ball there. Ramos strikes it on the Zamanga on the service line. Nicely done service. Galang. And a nice save for Ramos. Manapil. Pass forward to Galang. And a ball. What a save. Manapil. Wow. Both teams are trying their best. Just for a score. 7-15 is our official score here. 8-point lead na sa Ward 3. Rising down service para sa Longa. Ramos sending to Lulun. Lulun tossing to Briones. Ramos sending to Manapil once again. Castaneda to Galang. De Guzman to Ramos to Manapil. Castaneda to Briones to Ramos. Sending it back to Galang. Wow, what a night! And a nice segue. De Guzman to Castaneda. De Guzman back to Ramos. Castaneda. Salona. Ramos. Wow, what a ball here. And the ball keeps going here. This side. Galang Lulun. Let's go. 6
Naglilid ngayon ang Ward 3 ng 16-7. Kung makikita natin. Ayun. Ang score natin ngayon ay 19-10, lead ng 9 points ang Ward 3. Ang 10 ay Ward 1. Yes, ay set 2 na to na game sa game 2. Set 2. Naglilid ngayon ang 7 ang Ward 3 versus Ward 1.
Santiago Castañeda. Ramos sends him once again to Santiago. And a little error from Talang. A point score for Ward 3. He's got it down. Managed to run Ward 3. Or Ward 1 would not let that happen. 20-12 is score to Ramos. An advantage of 8 para sa Ward 3. Ramos, Manapil sending the ball to Santiago. A little score. 21-12. Good deal once again, second time around. Castañeda to Manapil, setting it. Ramos, Castañeda. Good deal, sending it to Ramos here. Ramos, a little toss for Usman. Talang giving it back to Manapil. Ramos. And there's one more. Santiago to Usman, saving the ball there. But a Ramos, Manapil, Stulo saving the ball right there. Santiago doing it. Outside violation by Santiago. Set point, Ward 3.
So sa larong ito na kumakita nyo ang score 12-24 sa set 2.
Ramos doing it there. The ball is in the line for everyone. Ramos, Manapil, Miller setting there. Down. What a point score.
Ito yung laro nila pang game 2, set B, yan.
Ramos, Manapil again setting there.
Naglilid pa ng 10 points ang Ward 3 ngayon. 40-24, so Sir Lori pa rin ang tumitira.
kaya ng dalawang bulan ng Sky. Ramos sa ito malaki. Malaki sa Santiago. Malaki sa Santiago. Lulunod.
So, ito yung laro nila. Nanalo ang World 3. They scored sa set 2. So, magsa-set 3 na sila ngayon. Ang laro nito hanggang set 5. So, parehas na silang 1-on-1 ang labanan ngayon. At ngayon, magsa-set 3 na. Sa set 3, kung sinong manalo ngayon dito, at least makaka-abansi pa ulit ang World 1. Once na nanalo sila, pagtalo sila, waiting na sila sa day 3. Pag nanalo ang World 3, sila ang maglalaro sa semi-final na laro.